This is how to use the chroma key in CapCut. So first I would drag a stock footage onto the timeline and drag the green screen effect that we need to apply the chroma key to. So this is the explosion effect. As you can see, we click on this clip with the green screen, come to video, come to cutout, and just select the chroma key and click color picker. And when you come to the green screen, you will just toggle the mouse and just select the green color area. And as you can see, that's what it's selected. And just toggle up the strength. And as you can see, as you do that, the green screen will slowly disappear. And you just got to play with it. So let's go 100. And let's expand this a little bit. You should see a little bit green shadow on the edges. So this is where you can just play with the shadow and just toggle up the shadow. That will be good enough, I would say. So let's do 100 for shadow as well. And let's see. There you go. That's how you use the chroma key inside of CapCut.